Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the channel Logos World. Today I am going to make a logo. It will be special because I will work on type on path. So let's start and let's see how I make a logo. So first of all we have to create a board. Here you can see many of templates. So I will take here 1280 into 720. So create it, and here you can see color mode should be the RGB. Here you can see here. Then here many things you can change here. So if you want, then you can change here. So here is okay all things. So I am going to create here. It will take some time. That's why you have to wait few seconds. Here you can see a artboard, and I'm going for a logo. And the special thing is I will write on path. So make a make a ellipse tool here. Sorry, there is a problem. Sorry, I think some problem will create. So sorry. Here I need the ellipse, perfect ellipse. Yeah, I got it. So I am going for, yeah, here, and each stroke should be the which stroke, yeah, six. Yeah, six will be the perfect here. I am going for the six, and going for the six, and stroke color is right. So I I take the red color here, take the red color, you can see. So now here you can see I make it smaller, and it should be the bring on font. It should be the backward. on send to the back. Okay, is now it's perfect here. Yes, I select this and go for type on a path tool. Here, take here. I will write like uh, Dhaka, Dhaka foot EALL football CLUB Dhaka Football Club. Okay, I will 36, make it 36. So you can, sorry, yeah, you can write here. And now I am going for another things. Sorry, yeah, here is a problem. Okay, yes, you can see how to make it here. Sorry, Dhaka should be a double L football, CLUB football club, and here, here you have to, sorry, make it 36, and now, yes, no, okay, it's perfect now. Now here, you can see here, and I will, sorry, Now you have to write here is Taka and sorry. Uh, I hope I made a mistake here. So, so, so this is the type on path here. What I show you how to make a logo with the type on path. So you can see how to write how to make a logo with type on path. So now I'm going for the another things which will be the sorry um, which will be the type 2 and I'm going to show you something sorry D I will made it sorry there is some problem D and it should be the 300 300 and here you can see I made it in middle so I am going for a create outline here and ungroup this then I'll go for the gradient color and it should be the it should be the orange and it should be the red now how it look like I think it's different you can see here I will zoom it for you here you can see and I'm going for another things for perfectly showing you can see here perfectly then you can now you can see this is a perfect color now here is the orange color fill and now here is the red you can see here perfectly that how it is going on it's very nice to see here and this is today's logo and I will show you the more things on the next class and Until then, Allah Hafiz. But by the way, please join our class. Do subscribe our channel. Please like, comment, and share. It will be helpful for us to grow up the channel. If you like, comment, and share, and do subscribe. Watch our video more. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.